Good morning. Today's Tuesday, April 2nd, and let's go. The first chart you're looking at is Goldman Sachs. If you recall yesterday, moved that stop, as I did on Thursday, to 145. Remember, 145.66 is where I moved it up to. Okay, remember, we bought the market. We bought at 147.30, and yesterday the market did in fact go lower, and it took us out. So we lost $1.64 on the Goldman Sachs trade. So that did not work out. If you recall, we went long in here. Market rallied up, didn't quite hit a first profit target, moved it up to this white line right here, and it took us out right here. But I still have this on my watch list because we'll see what happens today. Okay, if we get a tiny little tight little inside bar here, I will look to go long again tomorrow. So that's on my watch list now. So what I'm going to do is take that out of trades here and put it up to trades setting up. All right, so keep that there. And then let's go over price line. Remember yesterday we were looking to go long, right? This is price line. PCLN went long as it took out the high of this inside vertical bar, okay, with an initial stop loss down here. If you recall yesterday, I outlined this trade, and the buy again was 695.01, right? 695.01 was the entry. All right, the initial stop on this was 685.81, okay, and the first profit target on this trade 702.63, which hit this morning. So it hit yesterday, got us into the market, and as you can see, the market gapped up. And look at this morning. Market opened up at 701.49 and ran up to 702.95. So far, the market has given us $7.94. So on 100 shares, at the high today, you'd be up, $794. Remember, the Goldman Sachs trade lost $1.64. So if you had 100 shares, you lost $164 on this. Price line trade so far has well made up for it. Look at it. Right now, it trading at 701.27, 701 even. I've actually taken profits today at 702.63. I had a sell limit up at 702.63 on this trade. I was actually able to get in better than the 695.01. The market actually hit that yesterday. I waited for a little pullback, and I was lucky. I got a little lower than that, about 80 cents lower. I actually bought price line at 694.22 yesterday. Again, the initial stop on that trade was 685. At 685.81. And this morning, my first profit target was 702.63. The way I figured that was, look at my initial risk on the trade was $8.41, right? So if you take my entry of 694.22 minus 685.81, that gives you a price of $8.41, right? $8.41. So I simply added that 841 to my entry, and that gave me 702.63. So again, that's how I came up with that. This was kind of a quick trade. Wasn't looking to take this up much, follow it. I was looking for a quick 1-to-1 on this trade, right? Again, I was risking $8.41, looking to make $8.41, and I was hoping to get that within 24 hours, and that's exactly what happened. So again, bought this market. As the market took out 694.80, the technical entry was 695.01. It hit that, but then I waited for a little. You typically, if you're sitting there during the day and you're day trading anyways, you're typically able to get a better price than the actual breakout price. So yesterday, and this is a very, very volatile stock, so to think that the market was going to go straight up without ever getting me in is it's not going to happen very often. So the market nailed the 695.01, came down through a limit at 694.22. It took about 5 minutes to fill me because it wouldn't come down. It came down, it nailed me, stuck that sell stop in at 685.81. And again, set my profit target at 702.63. Came in this morning, market opened up higher, ran up to 702.95 before backing down. So it's 701.13 right now. Again, I outlined this trade yesterday. Heck, if you got in at 695.01, that's fine. I mean, you're up big time right now, so not a bad trade. Again, I'm going to keep my eyes open on the Goldman Sachs trade. I'm hoping. I mean, even if the market is able to take out, I mean, look at yesterday the low took out went to 144.60, took out the 144.66. This low made on the 25th. So, and again, I'm aware that the market is broken down through the 50 exponential moving average, but you also have to be aware that the overall trend is up. Okay, so again, I'm watching the market very closely in here, looking for an entry. Now, again, we took a small loss, but that's what trading is all about, trying to take as small of a loss as possible without being too small, right? This was a managed trade, so the market did go in our favor, and then we moved the stops up to risk less. So if the market didn't take off, it would stop us out and give us another, just look at the market, analyze the market to see if it would give us another trade setup. So that we're watching this. I'm also watching now on a weekly chart. This looks much better. Schlumberger, SLB. Let's put on a weekly real quick. Now look at a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart, right? The market took out that high. Now I know I'm rambling a little bit, but this is what I'm watching. The market did take out this high. The bars turned green, ran up to a new high here. Market's down between the mid and the lower band. Look at the 50 and the 200 are real close to one another right now, right? Yesterday, it was an inside bar, right? If the market's actually able to take out yesterday's high, I'm going long. I'm looking to go long at 75.74. 75.74 is where I'm looking to go long on Schlumberger today. All right, so just want to put that out there. Hope that helps. If you've got any questions whatsoever, just shoot me an email or on the blog, and I'll get back with you. Have a great and profitable day. Bye for now.